I'm now going to engrave a bangle on the E7. Now when I originally looked at the bangle information, it's a little confusing because there's two different figures given for the maximum circumference of a bangle. So I'm still not quite sure. This one is 62 millimeters across. Now, when you're working with a bangle, for the outside engraving, the machine uses the spindle, and for the inside engraving, the machine uses the L tool. When you're looking at sizes, I can see obviously that the spindle head needs to clear to check its height if it wants to, and also just to clear for the top of this bangle. So I guess you can judge your own sizes from that. I'm not sure exactly the distance it needs to be from the top of the bangle for it to clear, for the system to actually let that happen. And the inside, well, I'll show you the inside when we do that shortly. The other thing was, I wasn't sure whether it can do an oval bangle or not, but I have tried this one before. It is quite oval and that worked fine. I just put the diameter in as normal, but you can always check with the manufacturers or your sales rep if you're buying a machine. I've tried it also on round bangles, fully rounded. That works well. This one has got a slight D shape, so I have loosened the pressure the pressure adjuster just a little bit to give that a little bit of spring when it's going across the D-shaped curve. So I'm just using the flat ring mandrels to do this. I've put them in the second to outer position on the rotary clamp here, rather than they're in the inner positions when I'm doing a ring, or when you're engraving a ring. I've just sent the tool paths across. And when you're doing this, just make sure you've got the outside or inside selected correctly, and also on the machine. So I've selected this as outside engraving. The machine is just asking me to remove the flat vise so that that's clear for the engraver, and I have already done that. That is already removed. So I can press the OK key. And it's now going to ask me to check the engraved area, so I've got to make sure it's in the right position to where I want it. Yep, that's in the centre of the bangle, but I do just want to position it. Actually, it's hard to see, I should have taped it. I want a little further round the bangle. What it's given at the moment, actually I will take it across a little bit. I'm just engraving a couple of hearts on here. Okay, and I can start that off. And when that's finished, I'll change it round to do the inside engraving, and I'll take some pictures of them both at the end.